Statamic CMS is a modern content management system built on Laravel, ideal for developers and content creators who prefer flexibility and speed. Here's how to get started. Install Statamic. Download Statamic from Statamic's official website or install via Composer. Set up a local development environment like XAMPP, WAMP, or Laravel Valet if necessary. Configure your website. Open the Configure Statamic folder to customize your configuration files. Modify settings such as database, environment variables, and paths if needed. Create content. Statamic uses a flat file system for content storage, eliminating the need for databases. Add pages, collections, and taxonomies using Markdown YAML files directly in the content folder. Use the control panel. Access the intuitive admin panel at /cp on your local development URL. Create and manage content, forms, users, and settings through a user-friendly interface. Customize themes. Modify the resources or views folder to adjust layouts and designs. Use Laravel Blade templating for advanced customizations. Deploy. Push your project to a server via Git or deploy using platforms like Laravel Forge.